Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing video. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. Yeah! It's not a TB's Hobbies, it's a Gates consignment from Whatnot. Gonna rip this puppy open and see what's in here. Alright, let's go. I've been walking again. I'm trying to get back into shape again. Try to get back on my journey. I let myself go. I got all the way down to 302 pounds. Now I'm back up to 450 something, and I've been walking at work a lot. I've been walking in the employee parking lot and the school bus yard. It adds up. It really does add up. I get like a mile to 2 miles every morning before I even start work, because I get here extra early, and since a lot of schools are on spring break, the parking lot is pretty empty. I mean, really empty, and it gives me and a couple people walking room, a lot of walking room, and I love it. And I'm gonna, when spring break is over, I'm still gonna come into work like half hour early, even though I already do come in a half hour early. I'm going to come in a little extra half hour early to walk around. This is from Gates Consignments, giveaway Friday. Alright, this was last Friday that I got this. I got it today, but I won this stuff last Friday. Alright. Let's start with the stuff. Alright, what do we got in here? Ooh, it says a giveaway and 3 purchases. Alright, here we go. Oh, it's a mainline giveaway. Because I looked at the back, it's right here. Gates packs everything good as well. Oh, here we go. What is this main line? It's a Toyota Land Cruiser. That's what it says. Toyota Land Cruiser, new for 2021. It's a nice looking Land Cruiser. Oh yeah, nice looking Land Cruiser. Okay. Alright, let's see what this is. This is Custom Tornado. Okay. Oldsmobile Series 3 limited edition. There's a coin in here. It says 19,626. That's pretty dope. I like that. I'm stuck on a Land Cruiser. Johnny Lightning. That's a nice one. I like that. Very nice. Very nice. The Challengers. Johnny Lightning with the LM Lighten in Motion. It's really dope. I like this. Alright, here we go. Okay, alright, here we go. I'm not sure if I have this one, but it's a 1970 Datsun Fairlady. From M2. I'm liking these Datsun Fairladies. Special M2 features. It's very nice. I like that. I think I have this one. I'm not sure. But, you know me, I don't mind doubles. It's pretty dope. I like it. Thank you very much, Mr. Gates Consignments. And here goes the 1969 Datsun Bluebird. I'm guessing from the same series. This is sick. I like this. This is sick. I know I do not have this from the series. This is really sick. I like this a lot. Thank you, Gates. Thank you very much. And this is all I have for today. So, thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Peace.